I receive emails on regular basis, and one of the things I do is that I try to organize my emails into folders here, which Google calls labels. So I try to organize my folder so that when I want to check any email from any of those people, I can easily go there and just access all those emails. Now, doing all these things manually, what I normally do anytime I get emails, I drag it to that particular folder. For example, I can click on this email now, then I click on label, then I'll move it to that label, then I click on apply. So that email will move into this folder. Okay, but this is always tasking doing it every day. So I discovered an easy and automated way to do this. My name is OK. I produce videos relating to tech, online business, websites, and all. So in this video, I want to show you how I automate my incoming emails so that whenever emails arrive, they move into that folder automatically, right? So let's get started. So it's as easy as going to your settings here. If you are using Gmail, this is how to do it on Gmail. Go to your settings. So you click on all settings. So you click all settings. Now you go to this tab where we have filters and blocked addresses. Okay, so you click filters, then you go down here and create a new filter. Now this can also allow you to block emails from certain people. If you don't want to be receiving emails from them anymore, you can block those emails from coming into your inbox. But right now we are focusing on how we can automate incoming emails so that whenever they come in, they move into a particular folder or label, just like what I said that Gmail calls it label, but it's actually folder, right? So we click on create a new filter. Now here is where you have from, is where you are going to type the email address of the person or maybe an organization that you are receiving that email from. Okay, so let's say I want to automate incoming emails from my friend Cynthia. So I have an email already here. So Cynthia, I'll add that to this from section. So now I'm not doing anything here. I'm not doing any other thing here. Here I can specify the particular subject. So I can say if that email carries a particular subject, then automate and move it into that folder. But I'm not going to do that. I can also choose to select only email that has attachment, but I want any email that comes, whether it has attachment or not. Here you can pick certain words that if that email has it, it should move into that specific folder or label. So now I don't want to do all that. All I just want to do is to create a filter. Okay, I create a filter, right? I create a filter. Now there are so many options that you have here. You can start that message. You can say when it comes, you should forward it to another email address again. You can say don't send that email to spam. Always mark it as important. Then I can also choose that it should come to my primary category for Gmail. So I select primary. Then one other important thing we need to do is to apply a label to it. That's the folder where, like I have on all these places. So let's say I want any email she sent to me to come in a folder bearing her name. So all I need to do is to click on apply here. Then I'll choose label. Then now her label is not here. I'll just add a new label. So I'll just write her name, Cynthia, right? So I click on create. Okay, I click on create. Now then we'll we are going to finalize the session. You can see label Cynthia was created. You can also see it here. If I have an existing label, I can as well select it from there. Now I'll just finalize the process by clicking on, and one other thing, once you select that person's email, before you finalize this, Gmail will pull all the emails that that person have sent to you, out here. Then you can just click on all of them and move it straight to that folder. That is for existing emails. Remember, what we are doing is for incoming emails, right? So I'll finalize the process by clicking on create filter. So once I click on create filter, you can see all the emails from Cynthia is appearing here. So every email she has sent me previously is appearing here. So once the thing finish loading, it will return back to this page. So you can actually see all the ones you have set up before. You can edit or delete the ones you have set up before. You can do anything you like to it. So you can see that it's very, very easy. So from today going forward, any email that comes from Cynthia under this email address, right, under this email address that I have put in, that email will automatically come into this folder called Cynthia, right? So it will automatically come in there. I don't need to do anything to it. And once it comes in, like I've said, it should move into my primary tab for Gmail. So you can see it's very easy to do. So go ahead, let Gmail do the work for you. Remove that task of doing it manually. Let Gmail do it for you and automate this process so that you can always see all the emails from that person and ensure that you don't miss that email. So please like this video, click on that subscribe button so that you'll be notified when I do another video, and I'll see you in my next video.